Thanksgiving. Yes, Jamra.
Hey guys, welcome back to Yardie TV. It is a Friday, so happy Friday to you guys. Well, in real time it's Friday, but chances are when you watch it will not be Friday. But today we are going to be doing episode 2 of our Eat Out Fridays. Yes, if you watched the last one, you would have seen us visit a restaurant. We ate the food, we showed you a little bit of the ambience, what the place looked like, talk to you about the feedback as to how the staff was, and most importantly, we rated the food by presentation and taste and everything. And so today, it so happens that we have an event. Yes, we have a event that hubby is going to be working at actually, and so yeah, today is going to be our Eat Out Friday at the banquet. So yes, we're going to be showing you guys a little bit about the whole vibe at the place, and of course we're gonna zero in onto the food, show you the food, and tell you guys how we rate the food. Hopefully the food is good. It's kind of evening hours. Usually we don't eat this late, but hey, it is what it is. We pretty much starved all day so we could eat the food. Well, I know I'm gonna eat. Usually the hubby doesn't eat when he's working, and yeah, let's see how that goes.
So guys, we are on the road heading to our venue of an event tonight, and I'm gonna try to do my best. The wifey over there looking very, very fabulous, looking awesome. It's a Valentine affair, and I'm telling you, she just makes me want to fall in love again, because that's what we do. I'm almost there. Yeah, we had a little mishap and we had to run back to the house, and all these things, but we're heading there, and I should be there maybe an hour after they begin. Usually, these type of events, dinner and all them, some they go through first and then them bring me on, so I'm not too worried too much yet. But yeah, man, just I keep on posted. Yeah, we're out here in the streets on the road. This is what's going on out there. What's going on? Yeah, what's going on? We are doing road, you see. We are beating up the road. Yeah, what's going on? Posted when we get to the spot. I'm gonna need somebody to take a picture because we are banging tonight. We're just looking so smashing.
Sorry.
Yeah? Where is it?
I was yawning.
Or catch her in a yarn. Guys, see you soon.
Okay guys, so we are at the venue, and we came about an hour late, and it still hasn't started yet. Can you believe that? Unbelievable. So I guess it's Jamaican time, 7 p.m. Jamaican time. It's usually about 8:30, quarter to 9, and if it's really bad, 9 o'clock. But I was thinking that because we're an hour late, then we would come right in time for the preliminaries to be done. If they have a cocktail or hors d'oeuvres, then that would have probably ended, and them just ready to get into the formalities, like Obi said. But yeah, unfortunately. Anyway, we're still happy that we're early, but like I said, it didn't start yet. Oh my god. Can you take me up? Oh, my phone. Camera is still running up. on the way. Make we eat and sing, dance and play, ring ding on the mountain side. Evening time. Evening time. Great. Thanks.
When we roast the yellow yam and we slice it in two. Sing it, girl. How nice it will be with the ackee and the saltfish. What a glorious day when we roast the yellow yam. When we roast the yellow yam, and we slice it in two. How nice it will be with the ackee and the saltfish and the white flour dumpling and the coconut pie. What a glorious day when we roast the yellow yam. Shiny eye girl is a trouble to a man. A shiny eye girl is a trouble to a man. Cause she want and she want and she want everything.
My eye no shine. Not at all.
You must see want me fi go ballon, lick me belly pan tambourina. Read my Jamaican folklores and folk songs are being sung at this banquet. Yeah, man. Not teary Jeremiah, not teary Jeremiah, not teary. Not tear up me silk and satin. Wheel and turn me. And where you there, wheel and turn me. You must say want me figure ball down, lick me belly pan tambourina. That is the Hummingbird Singers, and they sing folk songs, you know. Yeah, sound good. For dinner, it was buffet style. They had various meats, but the wifey got curry goat, fried chicken, and jerk chicken. As a matter of fact, that was what was left by the time she got there. So she had to, you know, make herself comfortable with that. And of course, I didn't eat because I normally don't eat at night. And of course, my work today is not just for fun, it's for work. So yeah. So she's gonna give a review of the meal after the whole event finish, and we're heading home. That's what we normally do. So take her in and enjoy our food. Yes, take her in enjoying our food, and don't give me none. That's what it is. Yeah. There was also an hors d'oeuvres table with fruits and a little bit of finger food. But because of the late start, many of the persons did not even go to the back to, you know, find themselves anything around there. Overall, the drink was very good. It was strong, full of ginger. Yeah, the drink did full of ginger. I mean, and it do want ice. But otherwise, yeah, we get ice afterwards. But otherwise, it was so good. Yeah, man.
The gift right 5 times and our game will be done.
Watch her sit down with bone in her mouth. She sit down with the bone in her mouth and the bone sweet. This girl is just crazy.
Okay, all right, that's
she don't
our
want to
winner.
look. You have the bone in her mouth.
Let's go sing all how you tell me. Oh, how you tell me. Listen, I am your own.
go right now for none other than somebody who I just happened to be in a room one day, and as much as he gave me a run up my mouth and made me laugh a little bit, this other man, I missed that in English because I heard there was some people who were not Jamaicans in the room. There is a young man in this room and his wife too, but for right now, we really want to, honor, it's another pastor thing in this room who has the gift of lingua. Amen? God gives him the gift of gab, and he knows how to put it together so that you can really have a good time. So put your hands, enough of my talking, together for the comedian Sendtohope. Amen. Come on, you can do better than that.
Some music man, anybody can play something. You're supposed to play something for the comedian. May I come and play? Alright. Come on, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks, yeah. Then better pull them Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening.
Good evening.
Such a pleasure to be here. I'm Reverend Sendtohope, and I am here to just talk to you a little bit. Yes, Sendtohope is my real name. Real name. I'm Jamaican, and Sendtohope is really my name. My dad is the one who gave me the name Sendtohope, and I don't know what happened. My mom says, when she went to him and she said, guess what, honey, I'm pregnant. The first thing he said, I hope, and then him stop. I don't know. She said probably him hope, Elisha tell. I think he never liked me. Because, when ladies have their first child and they not deal with the baby a little ways, oh baby, and then, talk, baby talk, and then something there, like when you put the baby in the crib and you cover the baby and say, kitchi, By the way, ladies, you're not supposed to do that. No, what happened is scientists says when a child is born, it is born with a fully functional brain. It's just like the vocal cords are not yet developed. So when you over the crib and say, kitchi, the baby I think say, you know, my mother handicapped. So my mom used to do that, and my father never really do like it. My mom would look at me in the crib and say, oh, he's such a beautiful child. My father don't say nothing. My mom says, he's brown and he's nice. My father don't say nothing. My mother said, oh, he's such a treasure. My father said, good, make me bury him. But I have a living hope. My hope is built on nothing less than Jesus' blood and righteousness. I dare not trust the sweetest frame, but wholly lean on Jesus. I mean, now, but with the rest because when people eat, they don't remember nothing. How's the food? Everybody enjoying the food? Come on, put your hands together if you enjoy the meal.
Throughout the entire set. So, it was a great evening, and this is why we are here, to review with people their food.
How was the food? Because we never eat,
Yeah, he didn't eat. He doesn't eat when he's working, so...
And some stop eating late.
Yeah, me too.
Oh, please.
But stop eating late too. But the food was okay. It was good.
Jamaican food, right?
Yeah, it was good. yeah, it was unpretentious, nothing over the top, and they had quite a bit of variety to choose from. Of course, by the time I got to the line, the most important thing was done, which is the fish. So yeah.
So one container of fish them bring?
It looked like one container everything.
Alright.
Because the curry-go was on the finishing and the fish was done. And so I got fried chicken and jerk chicken, a little tip of rice and peas, which was pretty good, and some regular salad.
Why is it that when most Jamaicans are doing that type of event, them food is always like yard food? You know, why them don't give no a la flan and you know them type of chicken cordon bleu,
salmon
chicken,
and garlic butter sauce and calamari rice.
You know what I mean?
Right. But yeah, I mean, I guess them people, you have some spoiled Jamaicans still, you know, where if you don't have those type of foods at the event, them don't feel like the food was good. Some people honestly don't appreciate other types of
chicken
food.
breast stuff than them something.
Right, some people don't appreciate it at all. So I mean, it is what it is. And yeah, but for the most part it was great. And this is our Friday eat out. But suffice to say, only one person eat. But
It is what it is, guys. I'm disciplined. Discipline! That is how you make a significant change in your life. Oh, gosh, hold on.
So stay tuned to see where we eat next Friday for our next Eat Out Fridays. Yeah. Yardie TV. Remember, live and laugh.
Go out and eat. The people them food at the banquet.